Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I will be playing with my friend Lucky. I'm going to shout out his YouTube. It's Lucky Universe. Make sure to subscribe to him, and let's get into it. No, it's really loud. Wait, what'd you get? Did you get an AK? Yeah, I'm not going to hit that. Oh, let's go. Got the first 2 points.
I want to. Damn, my mom saying that mine isn't working, so the thing shut off. One second.
Wait, wait. Yay, you didn't die first this time. I just killed another kid. It feels like everyone's going for me. Well, never mind. No one's going for me. Feels like no one's going for me. I already killed 3 kids.
You're not gonna get it. Yeah. No, why? Wait, what's the song? Like, what? That's my fault. What? Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Don't go on that stuff because you'll just probably die fall damage. Yeah. I always use the icebreaker until I saw you using it, and then I started never using it. So I wanted to get back to using it. Oh, you went to one of my kills. Yeah.